Hello guys, and welcome to this video. So if you'll be looking for a way to create a bold poster for your product, this is the effect for you. So all you have to do to create this kind of poster is to go to higgsfield.ai, click on apps. After signing in, scroll and choose the poster effect here. Once you've chosen that, you'll see you'll be brought to a page like this where you get to upload your image in this area. Then click on generate video if you want to create this kind of video, or create if you want a snapshot, an image of the product with the effect. You can do that by clicking on the image section, which will cost about 1 credit. So but if you want video, click on video, and it says here it will take about 15 credits. And one thing to notice is that Higgsfield AI actually gives you, I think, about 30 or more credits after you sign in, which means you can create about 2 effects using your free accounts daily. So that is how to create the poster effect on Higgsfield.ai. And if you look here, we would see this here. This was the original one uploaded, and this is the effect created. So you also would appear similar to this. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys.